Welcome, video editor. Welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way in the world to do a split screen. It's so easy I almost wasn't going to do this video. So I'm going to throw in a couple of extra tips. So we're going to drag in a couple videos. We're going to drag in these geese. We're going to drag in this lion. And now we're going to make a split screen. Tip number one, if you want to measure different things on your screen, we can simply come to Effects. We're going to click on Toolbox, and we're going to search for the adjustment layer. Adjustment clip, we're going to drag that into our timeline, stretch it out. Now we're going to come down to Open Effects. We're going to search for Grid. And we're going to drag that onto our adjustment clip, and now we have a grid by which we could measure things. Now to me it looks like the center is this line right here. So we're going to highlight our geese by clicking on it. We're going to come to cropping, and we're simply going to crop left till we put that in the center, like so. Now we no longer need this grid. We've done our measuring. I'm going to get rid of it. And now we have our two videos. Split screen. Couldn't be easier. So what I'm going to do now, and add another little tip in, is I'm going to bring in another video. We're going to bring this tiger into the mix. Put him right there. I'm going to click on here and reset this. Everything is reset. So what I'm going to do now, to do 3 videos, we come up here to this icon. We click on 9:16. And that gives us 3 even spots. So I'm going to highlight the geese. I'm going to crop left up until this line here, like so. I'm going to click on our lion. I'm going to crop left to this line, and now we have 3 even spots. I can come up here, and we'll turn this off, and now we have 3 videos. Now here's a little tip. We'd like to see the tiger's face. He's facing the wrong way, so we're going to come up here to transform in our inspector panel, and we're just going to simply hit flip. So now he's flipped the other way, but we can't really see him yet, so I'm going to do this, and I'm just going to grab him and put him into view. We'll turn that off. So we flip the video from pointing to the right. Now he's facing the left. We flip the video. We can play that back. We have 3 videos on a split screen. Pretty simple. That's it for this one. If you learned anything, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.